5 superfoods that we shouldn't overeat. We at Remedies Point believe in the saying, everything in moderation. While there are certain foods that are healthier to eat over others, we shouldn't abuse them and let them take a toll on our bodies. Number 1. Broccoli can irritate your intestines. A cup of raw broccoli contains just 31 calories, 6 grams of carbs, and 0.3 grams of fat. It's rich in fiber, protein, vitamin C, potassium, and other vitamins and minerals. However, studies have found that consuming too much broccoli and other cruciferous veggies, for that matter, cruciferous means cross-bearing, and includes vegetables like kale, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, can cause bowel irritation or make you gassy. Number 2. Salmon can thin your blood. Salmon is a good source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids that are good for reducing inflammation. One 3-ounce portion of salmon takes care of nearly 30% of an adult's daily protein requirements. While salmon is a top choice for many health-conscious individuals, the overconsumption of omega-3s can have a negative effect on your blood platelet count and can even thin the blood. In addition, studies have found that eating too much fish, including salmon, can boost mercury levels in the blood. Number 3. Cinnamon can poison the body. Cinnamon is considered a superfood due to its high antioxidant content and many medicinal properties. Capable of lowering blood sugar levels, reducing inflammation, and preventing heart disease, the popular apple pie spice is considered one of the top superfoods among the spice family. Number 4. Avocado can cause fat buildup. Avocado has gained global popularity as a superfood in recent years due to its high nutrient properties. A single serving of avocado makes up for 1/4 of an adult's vitamin K requirement, 1/5 of our folate requirement, and 1/10 of our daily vitamin E needs. The fatty fruit is also rich in omega-3s and fiber, but too much avocado can also lead to inflammation, bloating, and an upset stomach. Number 5. Hummus can lead to obesity. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip made of chickpeas, sesame paste, lemons, garlic, and olive oil. Individually, all the ingredients contain a variety of health benefits, but when combined, they produce a nutritious and protein-packed superfood. Not only is hummus suitable for vegans and those with allergies to nuts, gluten, and dairy, but it has been linked to improved digestive health and blood sugar control.